What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Caddy 96 2021 upgrades. We have finally moved the car from the spray booth to the assembly bay, and we slowly but surely starting to go through the items that needs to be done. If you like these videos, please go and hit subscribe and help us to make more videos of the build. So let's quickly talk about heat management, cooling system. We use an Opel Corsa B diesel radiator in the Caddy. It's a nice cross-flow radiator. We've got a thermo switch on the radiator itself. Simple system. We've got a permanent positive, permanent negative, and then we also have a little wire that will give me a little light on the dashboard to show me when the fans kick in, and then I can also switch it on manually from the dashboard, the system. Obviously we have a fuse and a relay to manage the two fan motors. We've got a piece of aluminium to the top of it that closes off the gap between the bonnet and the radiator to help all the air go through the radiator and keep it efficient. Secondly, which is not on the table currently, I use Motul MoCool with deionized water. And with that system I've never had heat issues. Obviously two 12-inch fans as well. Good upgrade for most race cars in my opinion that's normal aspirated. So currently it's Wednesday morning, and the guy's been working really hard to try and get his vehicle done. The white is on. We've got some of the black rubberizer on currently. He's just busy masking off the inside. There's a piece in the engine bay which I'm also making black. And then luckily the paint we're using here dries out very quickly. And by this later, hopefully by 12 o'clock, we'll have it out of the bay and into the assembly bay. Yeah. I don't know if we're on target for Saturday, but we're pushing. As you guys can see, the car is currently on the assembly bay, on the lift, and we are busy with the going through things that needs to be done, things that needs to be sorted. I'm busy with some wiring relocations. We are moving the wiring into the back valance, some of the fuses. We already got some heat protection on the firewall, and I already pulled through two new, if you look around about there, two new fuel lines are in, and yeah, we slowly but surely getting there. I think the car looks quite decent currently, and I'm very happy with the result. Just one thing, as you can see, I have finally found a gimbal and I'm busy playing with it, so if I'm getting used to the gimbal, and some of the videos in this video has been done. Sorry for that. By the way, that is my compressor that blows off. Yeah, I have been doing some of the videos on the gimbal and some of them not, so yeah. Yeah, so I hope you guys like what you see, and we'll try our best to get this car done before the dyno day on Saturday or the track test day on Sunday, but I doubt it. So much to do. Please go and hit subscribe now. There should be a link now in the one corner. Please hit that, and yeah, see you in the next video.